students, once again welcome to Shram Shakti Vidya Niketan English Medium School, Malad online classes. Myself Reshmukh Apeksha. Student, today we are going to learn kind of sentence. So student, in previous lecture we see kind of sentence and we see also sentence definition and see some affirmative sentence and negative sentence. But now in this lecture we see interrogative sentence. It is second type of sentence, interrogative sentence. So what is meaning of interrogative sentence? So see definition. So a sentence that asks a question or request or information is called an interrogative sentence. Okay, I read once again this definition. A sentence that asks a question or request or some information is called an interrogative sentence. And second point, it always ends with a question mark. Student, this very important is, remember this, it always ends with a question mark. So we see some examples of interrogative sentence. See first example. What is your name? Then question mark. Then when is the first lecture? Then how are you? Student, when we see these all examples, we notice that all sentence finish with at the end we get their question mark. Here also, and here also. So these sentences are called interrogative sentence. Means when we ask some information, when we ask some request, or when we ask question, at that time we use interrogative sentence. So student, there are 4 types of interrogative sentence. Now we see which 4 types. Okay. So student, there are 4 subtypes of interrogative sentence. Which 4 types? See on whiteboard. There is first type is WH question. So in WH question, these are direct question that begins with the WH word. So student, which WH word? So we see some WH word. For example, how, what, where, why, which, who, whose, and then whom. Means some questions start with these words, means WH type words. For example, why was the child crying? Then where is see last type question tag. So there are two rules, two important rule of question tag. So first rule is an affirmative statement carry a negative tag. Then a negative statement carry an affirmative tag. How it is possible? Okay, we see some examples. Okay, see, Rita likes chocolates, doesn't she? Then the dog was barking all night, wasn't it? Then yesterday they were not at home, were they? So student, we see first example. Rita likes chocolates, doesn't she? So this statement is affirmative, means positive, but tag is negative, means first rule is apply this sentence, means Rita likes chocolate. So Rita likes chocolate, then followed by comma, and then we use helping word doesn't, and then we use pronoun she. Why we use here pronoun she? Because we use here she because Rita is a girl, female, so we use pronoun she. Then second example. So first rule is applied here. Rita likes chocolate. Statement is affirmative, but tag is negative. Okay? Okay. Now see second example. The dog was barking all night, wasn't it? So student, the statement is affirmative, is positive, but tag is carries negative. Statement carries negative tag. So the dog was barking all night. Then we get here comma, and then helping word wasn't. Wasn't means negative. We see in negative sentence we use not, never, nothing. These words. So we use helping word wasn't, means